Hello students, today we are going to learn about hill roads, also known as ghat roads. These are special types of roads constructed in hilly or mountainous terrain, so naturally, their planning and construction involves several unique challenges. Let's break this down step by step, just like how we'd approach a real-life site. Sit tight and follow along. What are hill roads or ghat roads? Roads constructed in areas having a cross slope more than 25% are called hill roads. These are also commonly referred to as ghat roads in India, especially in the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats regions. Real-life example. Have you ever travelled from Bengaluru to Ooty? That winding road you take through the Nilgiris is a classic example of a ghat road. Factors considered in alignment of hill roads. When you're laying out a road in hilly terrain, alignment is critical for both safety and durability. Let's look at the main factors. Key points to consider. 1. Geological stability. Must be resistant to landslides and earthquakes. 2. Avoid land degradation and erosion. Prevent soil from getting washed away. 3. Avoid deep cutting. Too much excavation can destabilize slopes. 4. Avoid steep grades. Gentle slopes are better for vehicles. 5. Parapet walls. Construct on outer edges of curves for vehicle safety. 6. Sound side of the hill. Choose the side that's geologically stronger. 7. Against wind direction. Reduce exposure to strong winds. 8. Avoid fissured rocks with water seepage. Water weakens the structure. 9. Proper drainage, both for rainwater and uphill runoff. 10. Adequate sight distance. At least stopping sight distance at all points. 11. Avoid zigzags. Sharp, unnecessary curves are risky. 12. Avoid tunnels, if possible. Expensive and time-consuming. 13. Align parallel to drainage line. Helps natural water flow. Remember this for exams. Sight distance, drainage, and geological stability are the most critical alignment factors. Formation types of hill roads. Hill roads are not built like city roads. We usually modify the terrain using cutting, filling, or tunneling. There are 5 types of formations. 1. Road completely in cutting. Used when hill slope is very steep. Entire road is carved into the hill. Economical, but risky if slope is unstable. 2. Road partly in cutting and partly in embankment. Used when slope is moderately steep. At least 2/3 of road should be in cutting. Balances cost and stability. 3. Road fully in embankment. Used when slope is mild. Filling is done to raise road surface. Retaining walls needed if filling is heavy. 4. Road in full tunneling. Used when cutting embankment is not feasible. Very costly. Only for unavoidable situations. Example: Himalayan region tunnels. 5. Road in half tunneling. When slope is steep but stable, this is preferred. Better for high altitude roads, less snow blocking. More economical than full tunnel. Hairpin bends. Hairpin bends are those sharp U-shaped curves you see in ghat sections. Key features. Located where slope is gentle and stable. Must be safe from landslides and groundwater seepage. Why use hairpin bends? Because a straight road would be too steep. Hairpin bends reduce the gradient and make driving safer. Design standards for hill roads. Let's note down some important values for design. Minimum design speed 20 km per hour. Minimum inner curve radius 14 meters. Transition curve length 15 meters. Maximum gradient 1 in 1940. Minimum gradient 1 in 200. Exam tip. Learn these values. Especially gradient and radius, they often come in MCQs. Retaining wall versus breast wall. Let's clear the confusion many students have. Retaining wall. Built on valley side, outer side of road. Prevents earth filling from sliding. Weep holes provided for drainage. Breast wall. Built on hillside, inner side of road. Prevents cut slope from collapsing. Front batter, 1 in 2. Back batter, 1 in 3. Remember, retaining wall is equal to protects filling, valley side. Breast wall is equal to protects cutting, hillside. Let's summarize in simple terms. Hill roads are designed for steep terrain with special care for stability, safety, and drainage. Proper alignment ensures long-term durability and traffic safety. Based on terrain, roads can be in cutting, embankment, or tunnels. Hairpin bends help negotiate steep slopes safely. Retaining and breast walls protect the road structure from sliding. That's all, students. We'll meet you in the next important video. Until then, keep preparing. Thank you.